Railways of the water world. Their unique challenges.
I can't imagine how they could build this line just by boat. It's one of the most impossible railways.
And the ingenious solutions.
This is the most strange railway in the world. This is not for any kind of train.
That make the impossible possible.
I've worked on this structure for over 5 years. I know every nut and bolt on it. Superb.
Following their meteorics have been pushed to their limits in the quest to conquer our water worlds.
The water here is
Expectation. Expert Krzysztof Kowalczyk is in remote northern Poland, where in the mid-1800s engineers decided to build a series of canals to join the seaport of Elbląg with the rich timber region of Ostróda.
Since 16th centuries, Swiss from this area was very expensive because there was the best raw material for the mast to the ships.
But standing in the way was a 10-kilometer uphill stretch. A total rise of 100 meters.
On this distance, on this difference of level, the logs was impossible because there were 32 logs on the distance 10 kilometers. Logs take too much water and there was too many logs.
It was down to Prussian engineer Georg Jakob Stenker to find an answer to this seemingly impossible problem. And today, 150 years later, skipper Bartek is about to face the obstacle that stood in his way.
Tak, powoli się zbliżamy.
And Stenker's extraordinary solution.
It is the most strange railway in the world. This is not for any kind of train. This is for boat, for ships. It's only one working in the world, system like this.
I już wtedy pojedziemy. Nie popłyniemy, a pojedziemy.
Georg Stenker created a railway capable of lifting boats out of the water and carrying them up and down hills.
Wózek przetransportuje nas na drugą stronę górki.
There are two parallel sets of track, each with a wagon capable of holding a 30-meter-long vessel. The two carriages are connected by a looped steel cable.
Taki wózek waży około 20 ton.
This cable is, you can see, have to be very strong to pull a carriage with the ship, which is weight about 50 tons. It's a lot.
Są to wózki oryginalne.
This amazing solution to connect these canals, there was just slipway. Slipway like this, with dry hill. There is one canal, another one canal is about 20 meters lower, and that was the great solution.
5 of these boat railways sit along the 10-kilometer journey, lifting the boats in a series of steps to the summit.
When the ship coming on the carriage and connect to the carriage, the man from the ship is coming and ring the bell. So operator know that he is ready. When he is ready and everything is okay, operator giving the signal with the bell to the machine place.
And it's no ordinary machine.
That's water wheel. That's an engine. That's giving the power for all this system for pulling the 50-ton ships 20 meters up to the next canal.
Cleverly, Stenker's railway harnessed the massive potential energy of waterways themselves.
You can feel the vibration, how it's working. It's amazing this building still exists. It's not destroyed by this vibration. You see, in one of the swing is capacity about 1 ton of water. So in one moment, 3 are full. So 3 tons of water is turning this wheel. Wheel is about 8-meter dimension. It's more than 4 meters wide. You never saw a bigger water wheel than this.
The wheel is used to wind the massive lifting cable.
This is the heart of this system. You can see this drum with the line. This is one line. With everything working with power of water. Miracle! That's amazing.
Each wagon is counterbalanced by another, traveling simultaneously in the other direction.
Jesteśmy gotowi do przeprawienia przez górę.
This ingenious system can transport skipper Bartek and his boat over each of the 5 inclines in only 30 minutes.
Właśnie, musimy się już powoli na wodzie. Zostawiamy wózek za sobą.
From its opening in 1860, the incline lift system transformed the region. It was now 5 times quicker to transport timber to the coast, and the Elbląg Canal became one of the longest trade routes in Poland. Today, tens of thousands of tourists every year ride Georg Stenker's impossible boat railway.
Engineer Georg Jakob Stenker, thanks him we have this original. It's absolutely amazing because it's one in the world and it's still working.